Now, the challenge used were several video spots alongside in-store registration booths for votes. Second was social media to share images of celebrities and vote branded apparel. Number three was a microsite which was used to further promote the campaign. Now, the results were that 60% of users who discovered products on Instagram got involved in the campaign. 75% of users took action after seeing the Instagram post. Now, video spot was also shared on Facebook. 64% of consumers stated that after watching the video, consumers were motivated to buy the products. Now, another example, Spotify 2018 Wrapped campaign. Spotify launched a personalized 2018 Wrapped campaign to celebrate each subscriber's listening habits. So what they did was that once the 18 year was over, they said that this year you listen to 6,207 different songs on Spotify. So they